How's it going, everyone? Welcome to a bonus episode on V Test Drive. So today I'm going to answer a question that I've been getting quite often. It is in regards to the 2019 Audi A4. A lot of people were surprised to hear that the Stronic dual clutch has launch control. So what I want to do today is I want to give you guys a little bit of a rundown on how to properly activate launch control on these vehicles. It is a little tricky and finicky, and there is a very precise sequence that must be followed in order to achieve a proper launch control. So everyone, let's hop on in. I'm going to give you guys a quick explanation on how to properly program your launch control, and then we're going to do a few practice runs. We're going to also test out our 0 to 100 time. Let's see what's the best optimal speed that we can achieve. Alright, so programming launch control isn't very complicated. There's a sequence that needs to be followed, and it is very important to actually follow along that sequence. If you do it in a different manner, launch control will simply not activate. So this is the exact sequence that you need to apply. First thing you need to do is you need to make sure you're in drive, of course. Once you're in drive, procedure number 1 is pull down on your gear lever to go in sport mode, so your transmission goes directly into S mode. Next step is very important. With the buttons down there for your drive select, you need to go absolutely to dynamic, and then you hold the traction control button for 2-3 seconds about, and you release, and you have a little warning that says your ESC is in sport mode. Then it's actually quite simple. You put your left foot on the gas, right foot floor down until your turbo spools up, and then you just let go. And you get pulled back surprisingly well. All right, let's give it another try. So down, drive select to dynamic, traction off. Let's floor it and spool up, and we're off. Wow, it really pulls you. And that was 0 to 100, and we'll find out. So as you noticed, it was a quite simple procedure, but it's very important that you get the sequence correct. I hope this video answers some of your questions and was informative. Like I mentioned at the beginning, very short, very quick to the point, and there's definitely going to be many bonus little videos like this one today. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and we have awesome new reviews coming up really soon. Stay tuned. Have a good day, everyone. Take care.